Yo, what is up guys? Welcome to the channel iSosa. It's your boy Sosa. Now in today's video I'm going to show you how to create this profile card using just HTML and CSS, no JavaScript. So if you want to see this video, it's coming up right now. Stay tuned. Welcome back guys. As you can see, I'm using a text editor right now where I already created two files, one called card.html and the other card.css. I'm going to prep up the markup of the card.html file right now. So I'm going to use the emit functionality just to generate that boilerplate. I'm going to link the CSS file. Next up, I'm going to create a card container. That's a class of card container. Deal with the class of card container. Under div, the class of top image. Just going to create multiple divs real quick. Round image. Next up, description. And the description container, I'm going to create another container called content. And this container is going to take the h1 tag. Inside the h1 tag, I'm going to write Jon Snow. If you remember from the previous slide I showed you guys how the Jon Snow is. Then next up, h3 tag at Jon Snow. P tag just to add the description. You can see bastard son of Ned Stark, the honorable lord of Winterfell, the son of Rhaegar Targaryen, and Lyanna Stark. I think we're done for the content inside the description container. The next container I'm going to create is called the container for the icon buttons. So I'll give that the class of icon buttons. Size button, I'm going to create 3 button tags with the links and image embedded inside. So I'm going to use some emit functionality here. Just put the 3a image in the tab. That generates it for you real quick. And I'm going to put a hash symbol. Go down this link to go anywhere. And for the images, I already have images here, guys. I'm just going to link it here. PNG. Let's refresh this, save this. Let's say it looks like in the browser. Okay, I have a lot going on here, so let's start styling this page. Head over to the CSS file. Let's start. Now I'm going to start with the body. We got the background color ash 475 F6 8. Move margin and padding from the body. Next up, I'm going to start the card container. I want a height of 530 px and a width of 380 px. Also background color of white. Margin 100 px on top, also for the left, 0 px bottom, also for the right. Border radius 50 px and position relative. Okay, you can see guys, we have the card. You can see just how the border the card. So I'm just going to remove this icon for now so you guys can actually see what's going on the page. So just go down here and uncover. So uncomment this icon. Now you guys can see what's going on. You can see just have a card with the border radius of 50 pixels, so have the rounded corners, and with the Jon Snow and the Jon Snow username and the description, Bastard Son of Ned Stark, and yada yada. So let's get back to starting this page. Card it CSS. Now I'm gonna start the top image. So the top image actually the class for this container. So this container right here, this one. And what actually this top image is responsible for, it's want to create a style that's similar to this page. So this background behind this circle image, this mountain background. Okay, now I'm gonna give the height 170 pixels, width 100%, take 100% of its parent, background URL, so the image, so the JPG, background size, to center the image, center, border radius, okay, that's 50 px, top 50 px, top left 0 px, bottom left and bottom right. As you can see, we have the image here, but I don't think it's showing. I haven't set the background size. I put center, so it's actually supposed to be cover. Background size cover. So the image counts as a cover. Okay, you can see our image is cover. Nice. Let's move on to create a circular image. I think the class for that it's at round image class here. Round image class, round image. I'll give that a height of 200 px, also width of 200 px, so they're both equal. Background of JPG, I like calling JPEG. Background size of cover. Let's see how it looks. Okay, we have the Jon Snow showing, that's nice. Now if you actually look at this, you can see it's kind of like pushed to the right. Now I want to center this image, so to do that, just use the background position, center. A little back, you can see it's centered. Now I want to make this look circular, so to do that, I'm just going to use the border radius property. Border radius 50%, give the full circle. I want to create, okay, let me see how that looks first. Okay, circle. Now what you want to do, you want to give this outline, this border behind this circle, this white border. And to do that, just use border property. There is 11 px solid white. Also want a position of absolute, top 80 pixels, and left 20% from the left. So refresh this, save it. Okay, you can see you have that nice and white background effect similar to this card here. Yeah, so next up, let's fix this Jon Snow heading and this description underneath here. So go down below. That is called description class for that container. So we're going to start the description. Height 200 px, position of relative, width 100%, top 100px. I think let's see how that looks on the page first. Save. Okay, you can see it's gone down. Now let's start it up, push to the center. And to do that, to style up the content, yeah. I'm sorry about this, guys. Just sorry about that. So we need to start up the content container. That's the class container of the class content. Mouse is just moving around. Content. Give that font family. Font family of poppings. Now this is a custom font I use. I'll leave it in the description box below. If you want to use the same font I use. So color 475 F68. Yeah. Letter spacing 3px. Padding top 20 pixels. Save. Let's see how that looks. Okay. You can see, if you notice, it's similar to what we have here look alike. So now let's move this to the center. I think that's the next challenge. Let's go down. So I want to fix that H1 content. H1 font family. Popping slide. Okay, I think I made a mistake here, guys. This styling actually is to belong to the H1. So probably, guys, I'm just gonna take this out, cut it out, actually paste it in here. I'm gonna refresh. Okay, you can see just have the H1. So, and now to center that, we're going to use the text align. Text align center. Give it a height of 80%. You can see everything's all centered, just like what we have here. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to style this using my Jon Snow and this description underneath here. Let's go down, go back to the editor, and head over for, I think we're going to start the H3 now. Content H3. At the position of absolute, top 40 pixels, left 140px, font family one the poppings, thin, color, use the 47. I don't think that I didn't use 7. It's gonna be 7783. So hex code 387. Did I get that right? 387. Yeah. Next up, give this one a letter spacing 1px. Save. Okay, you can see username is coming on just fine. So next up, this text underneath here. So that's going to be in the paragraph tag HTML, yeah, p tag. So let's fix that up. Give that position absolute, padding of 0 top to bottom 30px left and right, top 80 pixels, font family poppings, that's the regular poppings, font size 15px, color 475 F68. Yeah, so save this, and you can see we have exactly what we have in this card. So look exactly the same. Next up, I want to create these icons underneath, so let's do that. Get over to text editor. I remember, guys, I commented the icon button, so I'm going to comment it back so you can see it in the web page. Control save. You can see right here they're very big, so they're out of the border. Let's fix that. CSS file. So next up, we're going to fix the icons button. So we're going to put icon button. Is that class name correct? Icon button. Now I'm going to give a width of 100 px, take the width of its container, height of 50 px, text align of center, position of absolute, and bottom minus 35 px. Let's go back to the page. Okay, let's fix that. Let's bring it up and use this size. So come down below. Let's fix up the button tag. Get the button, the border. Border. Just put border of none. Also an outline. None. Background of white. Padding. Overall padding 0. So let's see how it looks. Okay, now let's reduce its size. It's too big for us, so we're gonna start the image tag inside the button. The imp tag. I give that a height of 35 px. Okay, you can see the size reduced but actually going down. I need to fix that. I think it's from the bottom. Now let's change this value from like 5 to 5 px. Okay, so it's the same. Okay, it's a bit going up, so I think the sweet spot is 4 px. Yeah, so you can see guys, the cards were actually created, they are the same, they actually look alike. So I hope you guys learned to look a lot from this tutorial. So if you enjoyed this tutorial guys, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification button for more videos like this. I'm dropping cool coding content on this channel. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. If you're not a subscriber, thanks for always coming back to watch more videos.